What's up guys, welcome back to English City. Today we will learn how to use the be verb in the past. Today I am a teacher. Am is the present tense of the be verb. In the past 20 years ago, I was a student. Was is the be verb in the past. Let's review how to use the be verb in the present. Listen and repeat. I am happy. He is happy. She is happy. It is happy. They are happy. We are happy. You are happy. Now let's learn how to use the be verb in the past. Listen and repeat. I was happy. He was happy. She was happy. It was happy. You were happy. We were happy. They were happy. Okay guys, let's complete the sentences. Now, I am in the bedroom. I was in the bedroom. She is tall. She was short. She is old. She was young. It is rainy. It was rainy. They are managers. They were managers. We are confused. We were confused. Now, Noah and Emma are angry. Past. Noah and Emma were angry. Thank you for watching us guys. Don't forget to subscribe us and don't forget to like this video.